Hello, my name is Sylvia Angela Fitriani. I'm a student of Management Study Program. I like to learn new things, so I decided to go to college and work so that my knowledge will increase and my skill will also be trained and continue to grow. I'm interested in this job because I can see in this role my skill could solve this problem within your company. I also can see an opportunity for me to learn and grow the skills. We both would benefit personally, professionally, and financially. If I can come in here and solve problems and accomplish your goals, I know I can develop my career the way that I want to. My strengths are being responsive and learning new things, adapting quickly, neat and doing work, able to communicate well with the team, and I always trying to do my best. And my weakness is a little careless and cry easily. My experience, I have worked for 1 year as a sales warehouse admin. I'm quite good at admin tasks such as inputting data, preparing goods, and doing some stock openings. I feel I can continue my career in this company with the experience I have. Even though my experience is only 1 year, but I have learned a lot about my job, so I already understand what needs to be done well. The reason why I'm leaving the job because it's important to me to work for a company that values my ownership of my schedule and allows flexibility when appropriate. After the last job, I actively studying, doing some trading business with my friends, while actively job seeking. I can contribute to the company, thereby doing the best job possible. At the previous company, I was to solve the minus stock problem. I can tidy up messy things because they are not cared for properly. So I can be able to provide the best for your company. Thank you.